Scarcity and resistance are not personal failures. They are learned survival patterns stored in the body and nervous system. Many people try to think their way into abundance without realizing that the body may still be operating from stress, pressure, and protection. This session exists to release those outdated signals so your system no longer treats growth, money, or expansion as a threat. You do not need to force change here. You do not need to believe anything perfectly. You simply need to follow along. As we move through this session, allow your body to soften at its own pace. If emotions arise, let them pass without analysis. If nothing arises, that's perfectly fine. The goal is not intensity. The goal is safety, regulation, and alignment. This session clears space so the next lessons can land deeply instead of being filtered through old tension. Now, take a slow, deep breath in and hold it, and slow breath out. Now begin by gently tapping on the side of your hand, and then just tap and repeat after me. Even though part of me still carries scarcity, I acknowledge this without judgment. Even though my body learned to brace, worry, and struggle, I honor that this once helped me survive. Even though I've carried pressure around money, time, or outcomes, I choose to release what no longer serves me now. Now, eyebrow. This old scarcity pattern, side of eye. This pressure to survive. Under eye. This tension around results. Under nose. This fear of not having enough. Chin. This habit of bracing for what could go wrong. Collarbone. This identity that learned to struggle. Underarm. This resistance to ease. Top of head. All this stored scarcity in my system. Eyebrow. Letting go of urgency. Side of eye. Letting go of pressure. Under eye. Letting go of force. Under nose. I don't need to rush anymore. Chin. I don't need to control everything. Collarbone. My body can relax now. Underarm. I'm allowed to feel safe. Top of head. Releasing resistance gently. Now we go back to the eyebrow point. I choose safety over struggle. Side of eye. I choose calm over tension. Under eye. I choose alignment over force. Under nose. My nervous system can soften. Chin. I can trust the process. Collarbone. I am supported as I grow. Underarm. Receiving can feel safe. Top of head. I allow ease to become normal. Now stop tapping and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and hold it for a moment. And release it slowly. Now close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Imagine yourself standing in a calm, open space. There is no pressure here, no urgency, no demand to prove anything. In front of you is a clear path forward. You are not running. You are walking steadily, grounded and supported. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your breath is slow. Your body feels safe moving forward. You don't need to see the entire path, only the next step. And that step feels certain. This calm, regulated state is your natural baseline. This is what alignment feels like in the body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. This session did not remove action. It removed unnecessary strain. You are now ready to move forward with clarity, calm, and trust.